finds of the 21st century, vast deposits of black opal. Now, this isn't just any gemstone. Black opal is the rarest, most precious of its kind, nicknamed the crown jewel of the opal family. And if early estimates are even close to correct, Jamaica might be sitting on reserves valued at nearly $2 trillion. To put that into perspective, Jamaica's current GDP hovers around 17 billion. That means this discovery, if confirmed, could equal more than 100 times the nation's entire yearly economic output. Imagine overnight access to wealth capable of transforming roads, schools, hospitals, housing, and lifting every Jamaican citizen into a new reality. But as history has shown us, resources can be both a blessing and a curse. The same discovery that could usher in prosperity might also invite exploitation, corruption, and foreign control. So, will Jamaica use this treasure